Hello, so I want to show you a couple of my shirts from merch that I've just got from Amazon, and I'm going to show you the PNGs and also give you some great ideas for t-shirt design. Now the first one, by the way, this is XL. I got XL, and for my size I'm pretty happy with that fit. The quality of the t-shirt is okay, and the quality of the printing is kind of okay, but I'll come on to that later. First of all, I'm pleased with the orange design on a black or dark t-shirt. I think that looks quite good. So here is the t-shirt as a PNG. I've put a black background so we can see it. There is the halfway point on the PNG. And as you can see, I've put it well in the top. However, I've got to say, if I was to do it again, I would put it up just a little bit more like that to get it right across the chest. The orange, if you're interested, is a pretty regular orange. I don't know if I could have taken out some of the blue and put the green down. Maybe that would be better, but I'm quite happy with the way it looks on the t-shirt. And as for the niche, well, I'm not really sure about this one. I just kind of liked it for myself. It's the 2019 in Roman numerals. No idea this sells. I'm not a really good one for events on merch. I know a lot of other people do that, and it's a really great idea for making money. All my success really seems to come from the evergreen niches, and I'm going to show you one of those now. So here is my other t-shirt, and now this is in a foreign language. I'm going to have to go up a little bit like this to show you the design, and that's one thing I wanted to talk about. But this says foreigner or farang in Thai language, and I've sold a lot of shirts in languages that are other than English. Haven't had a lot of success with Spanish because that's probably got more competition. If you look up on Wikipedia the immigrant communities in the US, and you'll be staggered to see how many different communities there are in the US and what languages they speak. Do they buy t-shirts in those languages? By and large, I think yes they do. Or there is a certain demand there, and it's one of those niches that's not catered particularly well by the other merch by Amazon guys. So it's an idea for you to do. I was kind of unhappy with this t-shirt, the way it came out. I kind of thought the yellow was a bit greeny. More importantly, I think I've made it too big and it's too low. This was one that I did a long time ago, and as I've drawn in a guide for the halfway point, and as you can see, it's far too low. The chest height's going to be around here somewhere. So if I was to do this again, I'd make the design smaller, and I'd put it right up and center it and almost put it like that, because the chest height will be around here. I maybe put it up like this, and I think that would be a nicer design on the t-shirts. Let's have a look at that yellow color. As you can see, it's 255 on the red and 255 on the green. You see in the CMYK values there's 6 on the cyan. If we put that down to 0, that makes the green go down to 242. It makes it more orangey, and I might try that the next time I do a yellow in order to get rid of that greeny effect that you can't sometimes see on the yellow on the t-shirts. So please like this video if you found it useful. Please subscribe to the channel. My name's Rob. I'll see you in another video.